Welcome back to Next Car Lunch. Today, we're looking at a Tesla that could completely change the idea of affordable electric driving, the 2027 Tesla Model E. If Tesla can deliver the Model E at the expected price, this could become one of the most interesting value-focused EVs for American buyers. But before you think about the purchase price, there are three things you need to know: insurance, real-world energy costs, and how much this Tesla could actually save you over years of ownership. So stay with me, because the real value of the Model E may not be its price tag. It could be what you stop paying after you buy it. Let's start with insurance, because this is one area many EV buyers forget to calculate. The estimated insurance cost for a 2027 Tesla Model E could be around $1,800 to $2,800 per year in the United States, depending heavily on your state, driving history, coverage, and insurer. That may sound high, but Tesla's safety technology and expected lower running costs could help balance the ownership equation. For business users, delivery drivers, and people who drive every day, getting multiple insurance quotes will be extremely important because premiums can vary dramatically between companies. In Japan and other export markets, insurance costs will depend on local regulations and Tesla's service availability. Now let's talk about the biggest financial advantage of the Model E: fuel savings. Of course, there is no gasoline engine here. Instead, you get an electric powertrain designed to make daily driving much cheaper. If the Model E delivers an estimated real-world range of around 250 to 300 miles depending on configuration, many American drivers could comfortably handle daily commuting without charging every day. For example, charging at home during off-peak hours could cost dramatically less than filling a gasoline-powered vehicle. If you drive 15,000 miles per year, the difference between electricity and gasoline could potentially save hundreds or even more than $1,000 annually, depending on local energy and fuel prices. That is where an affordable EV becomes much more interesting. You are not just buying transportation. You are reducing one of the biggest recurring costs of owning a vehicle. In city driving, the Model E should feel extremely easy to operate. Electric torque means quick response when you press the accelerator, which is especially useful when moving through stop-and-go traffic. There is no traditional transmission shifting through gears, and the quiet cabin should make daily commuting much more relaxing. For narrow streets and crowded urban areas, the Model E could also make sense because it's compact. Efficient design should be easier to maneuver than a large American pickup or full-size SUV. Parking, turning around, and moving through busy streets should require less effort. On the highway, the focus changes from quick acceleration to stability, comfort, and efficiency. A well-tuned electric platform can provide a low center of gravity, helping the vehicle feel planted at higher speeds. For American buyers who regularly travel long distances, fast charging will be an important part of the ownership experience. Your actual road trip range will depend on speed, temperature, traffic, climate control, and driving style. Maintenance is another major advantage. There is no traditional engine oil, no oil filter, no spark plugs, and fewer conventional engine components to service. That can reduce routine maintenance costs significantly compared with a gasoline vehicle. However, EV owners still need to budget for tires, brakes, suspension components, cabin filters, and other normal wear items. Spare parts and service availability will also matter. Tesla already has a large presence in America, but repair costs can still vary depending on the problem and whether the work is performed through Tesla or an independent repair facility. Buyers should check local service availability before purchasing, especially in smaller towns. For resale value, the Model E is harder to predict because its actual market position will depend on the final price, battery technology, range, incentives, and competition when it launches. EV depreciation can be significant, so buyers planning to keep the vehicle for many years may get better value than buyers who change cars every 2 or 3 years. As for pricing, the 2027 Tesla Model E is expected to target the more affordable side of Tesla's lineup, with an estimated US starting price potentially around $25,000 to $30,000 before taxes, fees, and any incentives. In Japan, a rough converted market estimate could place it around 4 million yen to 5 million yen depending on taxes, specifications, and import or local market pricing. For American export markets and Middle Eastern markets, pricing could vary considerably because of shipping, taxes, registration, and local Tesla distribution. Compared with a gasoline-powered compact vehicle such as the Toyota Corolla, the Model E could cost more or less depending on final pricing and incentives, but its biggest advantage would be daily energy and maintenance savings. The Corolla benefits from a mature gasoline network and strong resale reputation, while the Tesla could offer lower energy costs and a more modern electric driving experience. For small businesses, delivery users, and value-focused buyers, the real question is simple: how much will this car cost you every month after you buy it? If Tesla manages to combine a competitive purchase price with strong range, low energy costs, reasonable insurance, and dependable service, the Model E could become one of the most interesting entry-level EVs for American roads. The final verdict will depend on Tesla's official specifications, pricing, range, warranty, and real-world reliability. But if the company delivers on the promise of an affordable Tesla, the Model E could be less about luxury and more about smart transportation. If you enjoyed this review, hit the like button, subscribe to Next Car Lunch, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest car updates, future Tesla news, and upcoming American market vehicles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.